guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Kivia. If you're new here to my channel is all about DIYs, home decor, and organization. I throw in a little lifestyle content every once in a while. So today I wanted to share my first Temu package. As you can see, I have not opened it yet, so I wanted to go ahead and do that with you all. So the reactions will be, first time reactions. You guys will see what I think about the products. And yeah, I've been hearing a lot about Temu. I usually order from Shein. My son actually convinced me to place an order because his birthday is tomorrow and he really wanted some items that he saw on here. So I figured I would go ahead and order the stuff that he wanted along with some stuff that I saw for myself. I can't even remember the items that I ordered for myself. So we're about to see what those items look like. So let me grab some scissors. And I think I did order like a bunch of clothes. I do remember that. So I ordered some clothes. I'm going to keep these scissors out just in case I might need them. And this box is so dirty. All right. So these are some, what are these? These are some iron-on. So I have a heat press, and I'm going to use the heat press to iron these on some shirts. I'm going to take them out of here to see how they look. I thought these were pretty neat. Now, I have a silhouette machine. It would cause a lot of layers for me to do this. I know that a lot of people are using the, I can't think of the name right now, but I'll put it on the screen. This one says, she is strong. I have this one, God says I am, and it's a bunch of different quotes and stuff on here. This one says, even in the midst of my storm, I see God working it out for me. So I thought that one was really pretty. This one says blessed. This one says birthday queen. I just got this one just because y'all know my birthday. Well, if you've been watching for a little bit, my birthday is in December, so it'll be a while. But anyway, I just got these just to test them out to see how, to check out the quality and stuff on them. And I'll let y'all know. This one says Juneteenth. This one says Queen. $1865 Juneteenth on that one. And then this one says King. It looks like we have a bunch of clothes that we're about to get into. So, no, this was a dress. I did order a couple dresses. I'll put the model on the screen so you can see how it looks on the model, because I won't be trying any of these items on. But I thought this was pretty fun and colorful. Nice for the summer. I know I ordered like a bunch of graphic t-shirts. I love graphic t-shirts. So here is one. I thought this was pretty fun and colorful. And I think I usually get my t-shirts in like a medium. I think this was a small because this was an oversized shirt. And it does look pretty big. So I got this in a small. These are some leggings. Yeah. Quality seems okay. They're pretty stretchy. All of my leggings I usually get in a small. So yeah, just some plain black leggings. Another Juneteenth iron on, and this one says Juneteenth 1865 because my ancestors weren't free in 1776. Another t-shirt, and I really like this one. You can see all of the ladies on here, and it says God says you are unique. It's like a bunch of different scriptures on here. I think I do, when I do my next order, I'm going to do like a bunch of home decor stuff so you guys can see that. Juneteenth, celebrating Black freedom, and it has the date on there so you can see that. The quality of these clothes are pretty good too, and I really love the feel of the shirts. It says it's fine, I'm fine, everything is fine. I like this one. All right, we're getting into some of the items that Jordan wanted, and it's a bunch of toys. I don't think I'm going to take his stuff out of the package just so he can open them tomorrow. And it looked like I ordered two of the same leggings. I wear black leggings a lot, so that's probably why I probably purposely did that. I hope I got enough storage to record. These are some pants to go with probably one of the shirts that I ordered. I thought these. All right, y'all. I am back right when I said let me. I hope I got enough storage. I ran out of storage, so to speed things up, I just took everything out of the box. Leggings. These are just some gray ones, same as the other ones. It says dripping in melanin. I really like that. The little case is pretty cheap, but it's okay. The glasses look like these are the blue light glasses. So great for when I'm editing. Let me see. I'm gonna keep these on. And it says essentials on here. Just a shirt and some leggings. This one says Black Queen. And I may have gotten, did I get this to go with that? I think I got this shirt to go with these pants. If I didn't, it goes, so I'm probably gonna wear that together. It says Melanin Made. And they look pretty big. There's brown sugar on here. Love and melanin is what that one says. And gray, same as that black one. And it's the white shirt. And some more black leggings. These are some Juneteenth flags. So I thought these were pretty cool. All right, and some non-clothing items. I think this was some lipstick or something. I don't even remember what this is. That's what it looks like it is. So let me see how pigmented it is. Yeah, so it's like that color. Look like it'll be a nice color for the fall. I think I ordered this. These are like little small iron-on items. I think I got this for my husband just to test out because he do make t-shirts and stuff. That's why I was ordering a bunch of these too for him to test out. But yeah, so this just to have different items on there, different quotes and stuff. Box. So these are all the items that I have for Jordan's birthday, the items that he requested. So I'm just gonna leave that stuff in there. It's just a bunch of toys and stuff. But yeah, that is it. Oh, and then I got this. These are for like my blinds to in between here to dust them. Our blinds get pretty dusty, so I wanted to try this out, but it seems kind of tight. Anyway, that is it. So as I mentioned, the next video, if I do another Temu haul, I want that to be all household items, so I'll be sure to share that with you all. But let me know if you have ordered anything from Temu, what you think about them. Are you on your first order, your second order? I know a lot of people that has ordered multiple times, and they are really trending right now. So I'm pretty sure I will be ordering from them again. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Turn on your notification bell. That way you never miss an upload from me. And as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.